opening our first tin ever, and it's one of my favourite Eevee evolutions, and we're opening Flareon GX. It's a flamey Pokemon, it's a fire Pokemon, and we have a Flareon right here. She's adorable. Don't you dare fall over. So, I hope you enjoy, and let's get started. So here is our Flareon GX card. Beautiful, isn't it? Before I started my episodes, I've done other of the Eevee evolution cards, like Sylveon, Leafeon, Vaporeon. There's one that I've not done that I don't want to say yet. It's a surprise. That will be in our next video. Another Eevee evolution. Woo! So, I'm going to put this down here. So we've got a team up Venusaur and Celebi. A team up Mimikyu and Gengar. A Sun and Moon Lost Thunder pack. I've forgotten this one's name, but I've seen it before. But I've not actually seen it in its form yet, so it's pretty cool to see it. And finally, Ancient Origins, which has a Mega Tyrant at the front of it. So first we'll be opening our Team Up Celebi and Venusaur pack. So when we look through it, we have a chance of getting the Team Up card of these two. So that's why I quite like Team Up packs. So our first card is a normal type Tauros. Put that there. And next is an Omanyte that comes from an unidentified fossil. And I remember we got that in our last episode, so that's where it's going to come in handy again. Just like with the Kabuto. Next, it's a Fluffy. She looks adorable. She's having fun in the flowers. And a Dark Energy. I like Dark Energies. A Alolan Marowak. They're quite a show off sometimes, but they're really good Pokemon to have. I don't know what they're doing though. Reverse Shiny Ferroseed! This is amazing! I didn't think I'd get this card. It's quite a funny move it has, but still, it's amazing. And the regular version of it! 2 in a row! This is amazing! And a Mareep which evolves into Fluffy. Wow, I'm really completing like the Pokedex of cards. Neither are female! She's having fun. Next is a Meowth. Is he in a disco party? And a Larvitar. Having patchwork in the background. Interesting. The next pack is the Sun and Moon Team Up Gengar Mimikyu. So our first card in this pack is Hitmonlee. He's practicing alright. I'd say a bit too hard. Jinx. Interesting. Toroka! card one in one of our episodes, so I'm able to evolve it in battles. And it's gonna stay that way. Psychic Energy, one of my favourites. Blastoise! That's very interesting. I like the effects on that. They must be really good at drawing to make these. Reverse Shiny Clefly, the key Pokemon. Oh, this is an amazing pack. I just knew it deep down in my big heart that Eevee pack evolutions and Eevee packs are the best. Dratini! Weedle? Wait, what? Why is this lack of sneaking and staring at him in the background? That's rude! He needs his personal time! Ooh, Hundage! Interesting. It looks like it's about to start a battle. I don't know where to find him, though. Staryu! He's absorbing something, that's for sure. And Pinward. I remember I had one of these in our old episodes, but just a different picture, but same Pokemon. Next, we are opening the Lost to Thunder pack with, I still can't remember its name, but whatever it's called, it's in its own dimension, and I know that it sometimes throws off this big ball on its head, which is something, and it makes fireworks. Now, our first card in this pack is Kahili. She is also an amazing, I think it was a baton player she played in, and she is from the Alola region. I quite like, she is one of my favourite Pokemon trainers. Silicune! How did I make these cards look so realistic? I don't get it. What? I lost Splendor? I don't know how that's going to come in handy, but okay, I'll take it. Fairy Energy! No fairies, thank goodness. Wait, is there a C? Oh my gosh, there's a C as well. This is the best. Reverse Shiny Brackish! In my opinion, it looks a bit weird, but this is amazing! Also found in the Alola Seas. Piggyback! Slugma! He's on a volcano, isn't he? Well, he's around the volcano. Probably the volcano on many islands. Snubble! He is not enjoying those flowers. I've heard that Snubble is actually tough on the outside, but just a cute, softable on the inside. And Marini! Oh my gosh, how is it underneath the rock? Oh, my reap. No, you're making me want to go in bed now. Looks so crazy. I'm jealous. So our first card in this pack is a trainer card, and it is the Forest of Giant Plants. I've seen Ash, Misty and Brock go through that place once on the beginning of a Pokemon movie. Funny thing. Gloom. He's having fun. cool! This is amazing! Reverse shiny trainer card of the Forest of Giant Plants! We literally just got that trainer card! This is amazing! And Oddish! Looks like a ballerina, it's all its tippy tips. Kindly evolves into Vesper Queen! I can evolve this into Vesper Queen now! Wait a minute. There's a female Cornbee! It has a little V shape on it. Okay! James had that. James from Team Rocket. Like, bummer about it. I hate Team Rocket. Relican! My dad goes crazy whenever he sees that Pokemon. On Pokemon Go, there was this water day, and then he found it on the very last day of it, and he lost it. And then he couldn't find it ever again. Now he's worried he won't get it. And, oh, this is an amazing Belto card! Amazing to end the thing off with. And that's all for now, and this has been an amazing pack. And here is the Flareon GX card, and I'm so glad that I picked up this tin. I don't know if there's any better, but I think this is the best it can get. Well, then again, it can be better if it was all break cards. I'll think about that. So, thanks for watching, and bye!